Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. Now, many of you know that this is a round tomato cage, but today I'm going to show you how to use this as a pot trellis for other plants besides tomatoes. These are really great for tomatoes because they will actually help keep the fruits and the branches from breaking as well as touching the ground. But you can also use it in a container for other plants that like to grow on a trellis or need some support. So basically what you're going to do is that you'll choose a plant that's finding. I actually have a pole bean here, and once you've planted this into your container, I'm going to pop this out of here and put this into my container, and I'm actually going to put it kind of closer to the center because this will spread out and take over the container. I'll put my tomato trellis in here, and you'll see that it's a little narrower on the bottom. Do make sure that it's pushed all the way in so that way it doesn't topple over. You do want to use a deeper pot for these so that way there'll be enough support once the vine starts to grow up. And you can use this for vegetables like beans or peas. You can use it for vining flowers. And occasionally you'll just have to come out and wrap the vines around the sidebars and around the middle here, and you can cover the whole thing pretty quickly. So if you have any other questions on how to use a tomato cage as a pot trellis, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you so much.